It is because of the blessings that He has showered upon the people of our state that we were blessed to have our own land, our own state, our own identity. And in the last 54 years, Almighty has blessed us to take our state forward to where we are today. And I'm sure with the efforts that have been put by each and every citizen of our state, we will march ahead with confidence, determination, and the will to make sure that we achieve all the goals and targets that we have set in front of us. I also remember and thank and pay my respect to all our leaders of the past, especially those who had fought in a non-violent way, persistent, committed, and determined to get our own identity and our own state. I remember them for their hard work, their contribution, because of which we are here to celebrate Meghalaya Day. During those difficult times, when our leaders were fighting for the state, there was a strong sense of unity. Though we were different tribes, different communities, we were all one in our objectives, in our goals, in our dreams to have our own state. Sometimes